Chutki, do you want to go to the aquarium? I'm so excited because there's so much cool, cute, and baby ocean animals. Why not? It will be so fun.
It's a Baba.
Chutki, what do you want to see? I want to see octopus, seahorses, and dolphins, and starfish, and also crabs. Like, why not? They make a cool sound.
Baba, did you want to go to the aquarium? You need to be quiet.
Hey Chutki, I see a baby seahorse. Does it look super tiny?
I see a seahorse in the water.
Look at that starfish. It looks funny on the back.
I see a starfish in the water.
On their front, they eat on the back of their self. Isn't that cool? Look at that dolphin. It looks so nice.
I see a dolphin in the water. I see an octopus in the water.
And look, an octopus. That looks so cute. It has so much legs. It has 8 legs.
I see a crab in the water.
And there's a crab that looks pinchy.
Baba, I'm hungry, so I can eat food when I eat Celeste. But I'm really hungry.
Chutki, do you want to go get some food and go home? I want to. We've seen so cool animals. Let's come here next time again because it's been so cool.